Okay. Once the liner and the bolsters clamp together with the pin, the pivot pin, or the alignment pin in this case, then just heat up the parts until the solder's melted, till it's a good
clamps pull it together.
Right, until the pieces are pulled together.
And put the heat on the bottom, heat it till it melts the solder on the top.
Yeah. If the bolster gets hot enough to melt the solder, then obviously the liner will be hot enough as well.
There it goes.
You use the solder to determine whether the bolster has been hot enough to melt the solder.
Yeah. If it melts that solder and sucks it through, it's all hot.
That's pretty much it, isn't it?
Pretty much. If you do the other side just like this side, except it's on the other side.